The United States Army has finalized a $390 million contract modification with BAE Systems to upgrade and deliver additional Bradley A4 infantry fighting vehicles, expanding the service's fleet of modernized armored platforms. According to the company, the upgraded M2A4 configuration will replace older Bradley variants and give soldiers improved lethality, protection, and onboard systems across a wide range of mission environments. In a statement, BAE Systems said the Bradley A4 provides lethality, performance, and next-generation capability, underscoring the Army's push to equip armored brigade combat teams with more advanced vehicles. It's critical that we continue upgrading Bradleys to the modern A4 configuration so that warfighters have the equipment they need to dominate, said Bill Sheehy, Ground Maneuver Product Line Director for BAE Systems. He added that the award ensures our U.S. manufacturing lines stay hot and ready for continued production. According to BAE Systems, the Bradley A4 configuration introduces improved power generation, onboard diagnostics, and digitized electronics designed to enhance situational awareness and communication across the formation. The company says the A4 variant increases vehicle performance in challenging terrain and temperature conditions, giving soldiers a more reliable platform for high-tempo operations. The Army's armored brigade combat teams have relied on Bradley fighting vehicles for decades, and the A4 update is intended to extend the platform's relevance while the service pursues long-term modernization efforts. As noted by the company, the A4's commonality with earlier variants reduces sustainment demands and simplifies motor pool support, helping units maintain readiness during training and deployment. Production for the Bradley A4 is being carried out through what BAE Systems describes as a long-standing partnership with Red River Army Depot. Work takes place across multiple sites in the company's U.S. industrial network, including Aiken, South Carolina, Anniston, Alabama, Minneapolis, Minnesota, San Jose, California, Sterling Heights, Michigan, and York, Pennsylvania. Initial deliveries under the new award are scheduled to be completed by October 2026. According to a release from BAE Systems, the company views the new order as part of a broader effort to support both Army requirements and the stability of the domestic armored vehicle production base. The Army said the contract ensures continued availability of upgraded fighting vehicles as demand for protected mobility grows across U.S. ground forces. The Bradley A4's enhancements are focused on giving crews improved awareness, better integration with network sensors, and increased onboard power to support modern targeting and communication systems. In addition to mobility and survivability improvements, the platform is designed to maintain its lethality edge while meeting future requirements for Army armored formations.